Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's video we're going to be doing another sample, but this one is going to be for an up-and-coming project, and we're just going to be putting some tint inside of rust-on metal that we did in our mother of pearl sample. We just tinted to a gray, and then also we tinted our Marmorino KS to a gray. So what we're first going to start with is a Skip Trowel, and what we did here first is we put a coat of Marmorino KS untinted, just white, so we can let this thing dry up pretty quick. So what we're going to do is just going to put some Skip Trowel on it. And then we're just going to take it and put some movement in it. You also go back and just touch up some spots you don't like. Okay, and then we're gonna just let this dry. All right, so our first coat, texture coat, is dry. Now we're gonna put our second coat on. Just pull it tight. All right, now we're just gonna let this dry up a little bit. All right, so we let it dry up almost all the way. Let's take some water, as usual. All right, we're just gonna let this dry up and then we'll put our rust on. All right, so our sample is dry, and what we're using is a rust on metal, and we tinted it to the same color as the Marmorino KS. And we're just gonna take it. This is a metallic finish that goes over top of it. All right, and that's the end of our sample for our up and coming project. As you can see, this beautiful finish done with a Marmorino KS and a rust on metal. It's tinted to the same colors, which we'll put it down in the description. And that way you can do it at home, or you can make samples of your own and play around a little bit, which Venetian Plaster is always fun to play with. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can follow us for more videos on how to do Venetian Plaster in different finishes and designs. Thanks for watching.